Ni.
Kau surprise dia. Tambah kamu duit lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususo tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laiphuai tarik ubanai jamang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Turmen manyakendu biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usembut menteri rang ba ka jala, uba kami ka tanat kampo yeng, uba perstuntun song, ula kentui ki Kynhun, ki Pyrshah, pakin let yesim banta, hakajing Pynsngew pa iba, lani ka public hearing, bala pelong da ka Meghalaya Pollution Control Board. Nakabenta ka jing terwati motion haulum Sherman da ka Sri Cement Private Limited. Loong ru baka jing Pyrshah jing Kynhun paper ya ka public hearing kalong ka babakla namar badai tangha ka public hearing kadi ka rensan ka babiang tam Kynhun paper pen pau jing Pyrshah jongki.
Okay, see what happened is we are always open for discussion. When there is any kind of misunderstanding, we are always there to resolve the issue. But now, those people who are against the public hearing, I think that is wrong. They made it wrong. When we say public hearing means what? To know the mind of the people, the stakeholders, whether you want to have cement factory or not. That is very clear. So if you are against it, go there. Because the provision of the rule, that regulation is very clear indicated that Pollution Control Board has to conduct the public hearing. So the public hearing will prove whether you are in favor or you are against. Simple. So I would request again these agitators, please don't misunderstand. Please understand the stages of procedures and attend the public hearing, and you raise your concern over there in the public hearing. Because I'm not saying, see, when you say public hearing is what? Public hearing means to hear the grievances, the concerns of each and every stakeholders. So that is very important. Tingangas no ban ong hakabay bat kani kini ba ong ba ngi Pyrshah ya public hearing ngamut ban ong hangne ba kata ka jingmut jong pi ka babakla balay ba film kwa ban yai ka public hearing naman pa ka public hearing hakane ka provision kalong ba nakaliang ka office jong ka Pollution Control Board ka kwa ban tip ka ka concern ka ka Pynsngew jong ki ba la kata ka proposal ban set up ia kata ka cement factory ka babiang na ka bambiang day na daw ba pelong kanang ka public hearing tengangam skutu balay ti pelong padat dia kata ka protest DC office lene hagiwi ku gi jaka why not do it there haba if you don't consent please do it there we are very transparent what sengau ba kim dai ba skutu baklam no ba kaning nyom bor mengin ko komen kay kata ngilek bor mengin komen kamdon ai ngilek bor komen la ngilek bor kamu ngimdon ni ka public hearing ko kan yai bai kakap ten rai mentang aku ban pensai ke darba ya kitu ki bamhun ki ba Pyrshah sengau ba ajing mot yang ane ha ka public hearing nak daw babu kanang ka public hearing lu kanang ban yo lut ya ki jing mot ki jing perkat bro la phi ong ya ka environmental issue lene la phi ong ya ka economical issue di kita berkot gede bandon hakata public hearing.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe. through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.